Good morning, community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. It is 6:15. It is 20 degrees. We hit freezing at about 11:30 last night. So we've had about 7 hours of below freezing temps. We'll get out there and check everything here in a minute. So it's about 9:30, guys. It's 35 degrees. We were below freezing for probably about 10, maybe close to 11 hours. I'd say closer to 10, so let's check on things. So we did cover our cabbage, but you can see there's a little bit of frostbite or freeze bite on the outsides. We're just going to leave it alone, and when it warms up, we'll water it, but we want to wait for the temperature to warm up before we do that. Let's check our onions. And you can see they're pretty laid over here. My goodness, I hope that they rebound back. Gosh, this will be extremely disappointing if they don't bounce back, but we'll see. And these onions look pretty much the same. I think my carrots will be okay. We'll watch these today. But you can see this just gets a certain dark green to it whenever it's quite chilly. I think my oregano's okay. We're going to go ahead and leave these sheets out here just in case, but I think it looks to be okay, and the mint does as well. Let's look, and yes, these onions in here look to be okay as well. And as expected, these pepper plants, they gone bye-bye. Oh my goodness. Sometimes it's hard to have things going so long, all the way into the middle of January, to lose them in a hard freeze like we got last night. You would much rather lose them at the beginning of the winter season so that you can have your pots ready to go in the spring. And it looks like all along the line those are going to go bye-bye. These are our tomato seed starts. Everything looks to be okay. And here are our pepper seed starts. You can see they look to be just fine. When Greg came out and checked them first thing this morning, it was 68 degrees underneath the seed starting tents, which is good because that's what saved our little plants. Now the sun's coming out, so this big high tunnel and the little high tunnel are going to heat up probably significantly today. So these will be fine. Our next freeze looks to be maybe Monday night. We're going to be fine tonight, maybe around 33. And then it looks like we have maybe a couple of nights real close to freezing. Hearing some rumors that next week is going to be some kind of Arctic blast. I'm not convinced yet. I guess we'll see in the coming days if the forecast starts to change. But we made it through on our seed starts through a 19-degree night with an extended temperature below freezing. This is our kale in the big high tunnel, and it looks like it's going to be just fine. Thank goodness. There was no need to use the diesel heater last night because all the seed starts are up underneath the plastic, and they stayed safe. Now that could change as we go on through the rest of the cold weather months, February. Once we start to up-pot some of those seeds, if we're not able to protect them under the plastic like we do, that diesel heater may come into play. So check the chickens. They're all fine. Put them out some scratch this morning. We did have 2 heaters on them last night, so they're doing just fine. Thank the Lord for that. And we're going to warm up today, believe it or not, to 60. So we're going to go from 19 degrees to 60 degrees in one day. That is a 40-degree change. Now, we are going to have some wind, so it's going to feel a little cooler than 60 degrees. And it's quite nippy out here right now. It's 35 degrees. And so we'll warm up today. We'll probably be in the 50s much of this week. I do see maybe some 70s toward the end of the week. But we'll see. Like I said, they're saying that we may get a little bit of a polar vortex, but I'm not convinced because I've seen it all throughout this last 4 weeks where we were supposed to plunge and blah, 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 and it didn't happen. So we're just kind of taking day by day, and that's about all we can do this time of year. And we are so thankful that our seeds are good and that they are protected. And I just wanted to give you guys an update this morning and let you know where we stood. Hope you guys had some good luck last night. I hope that your vegetables are all protected. And if you had any seed starts, I hope that they're protected. Love you all. See you soon.